This one little thing can help you up in making things work for you. This one little thing can help you up in making things work for you. One little thing has helped me and millions of people and hundreds and thousands of people I personally know, my friends, and many of people who have been using this simple trick that is being helping riches to be at the position where they are. Okay, so what is that one little secret that we all must know? Now, you might have read about it, you might have known, or you have heard about it. It can be anything, but it might be for some people, it might be really new, it might be fascinating. And the term that I am going to tell you is going to be really different. Or it might be same for some people, but I can tell you with my own experience and with so much of the things that you are getting, you are just going to be happy about it after knowing this thing. So what is it actually? Let's find out. The thing that I am going to tell you, it's going to be pretty much simple. Now, what is it actually? The thing that I'm going to tell you is known as, it's known as PASSIVE. Okay, let me just write the E in a proper way. So I'm using this new stuff as I got it few days ago, and I am not that okay with it because I find it really interesting to write, and I'm gonna practice a bit so that whenever we work on this. So the thing that I'm gonna tell you is known as passive income. Okay, cool. Passive income. Cool. So, what is passive income basically? Passive income, or PI, as I am going to write it up here. Okay, it's PI. So, what is it actually? Passive income is very simple. For example, you can have many things. As we have read a book that is known as Rich Dad Poor Dad, where the author, Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, has told about assets and liabilities. Okay, so what is an asset? What is a liabilities? I'm going to talk about it on a next video or on other video. Now, what I'm going to tell you or what I'm going to focus on is passive income. See, the concept of passive income is very simple. Passive income is whenever after making money, or if you have some amount of money, you put your money work for you. That is, it can be many things. So as Robert Kiyosaki has said that it is good to invest in house. Okay, to invest in house, what happens is that whenever you get house, you make money from it. As we all know, it's rent, right? So you get rent, so you don't have to work, and you are getting, so you are making money from it. So every month, let's assume you get a certain amount of money from it, you get a certain amount of money from it, and you get a certain amount of money from it. So what's happening is very simple. You are simply going to get money, that is, you're going to make a good amount of money because from these three houses you have made quite a lot of money. Simple like that. If I need to put it in our own perspective that I myself love, that is, if we talk about this passive income, let's assume you own a Instagram page. Okay, you own an Instagram page and you are making some amount of money from it, or you are doing Amazon FBA. Okay, or it can be that you have made a page or a bridge page and you are making money as freelancing, or you can do drop servicing. That's the best thing that I would say. You can also do drop servicing, or you are doing as we all know, it's drop shipping, or you can do affiliate marketing from Instagram, and you can even sell your courses and all that stuff. So what's happening is that all of these ones are nothing but all the streams or all the options that you can get to make, to make passive income. Okay, so this simple thing is quite important. Now let me just clear all the drawing, and I'm going to show you much higher things. Okay, that's gonna be make this thing more exciting. Now what's the thing? So how can you generate passive income? Okay, so does it take, the big question, does it take money? Okay, does it take money to generate passive income? Because we are going to make our money work for us. Now here it is, you can do passive income, or you can make your time passive. Now, what I am going to tell you is the concept that Robert Kiyosaki has said, it's very true. But now, what I am going to add extra to it, or it's a bonus for you that I don't think nobody has told you about, that is, let's assume you don't have any money. So, what can you do at that moment? Okay, so you don't have any money, that is, you want to start it with no investment. Okay, so you want to start it with no investment. So it can be that you want to do an affiliate marketing, or it can be that you want to do something that is your own product. Okay, so let me just write own up here. So what you can do is, you on affiliate marketing, I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing, and it's one of the coolest thing that you can do. But if you want to start with your own product, it's a bit tough, but it's not impossible. It's a bit much time consuming, but it's okay. If you want that, you can do it. It's up to you. You are the person who chooses the best thing for you. Okay, so I can just say you that you can start a simple Instagram page, and you then do what? You sell affiliate products. Okay, you sell affiliate products. That is, somebody else makes it, you help them to market it, and then when the buyer buys it, you make a commission. You make a commission out of it. Okay, so you make a commission out of it, and it's one of the coolest thing that you can actually do. Now, there are big companies that are promoting affiliate offers. For example, one of the biggest company that loves affiliate programs, and it also has its own affiliate program, that is known as Amazon. You can also work as an affiliate on Amazon too. Now, how can you generate passive income from it? For example, if you own an Instagram page, and then what happens is that there is a thing called, that is an internet term, that is known as traffic. Okay, that is known as traffic. So we all know that whenever we all get stuck in traffic, right, with in our car. So what is traffic? Traffic is online. When people come to your page online, and they watch your things, they watch your content, they follow you and all that stuff. So what is happening, you can take that following, and you can actually channel, or you can say, or in geeky words or the internet marketing words, what you can say is that you can simply funnel it up. Okay, so you can simply funnel it up, or you can channel it, or you can funnel it. Whatever you want to say, you can just say. There are no specific terms that to be made to be known. Okay, that is needed to be known. If you know how to do the stuff, you know it. That's all. End of game. Okay, so now, how you can generate passive income from it? So to generate passive income from it, you just need to do one simple thing. Let me just clear all this thing up. Okay, to generate passive income from it, you might not have money, but you have put your time in making a page that is now almost 100K. Okay, and let's take this conversion, the standard conversion that I have seen mostly on organic traffic. That is, you are going to make near about 3 to 4%. Okay, let's assume that you are gonna get a conversion of 3 to 4%, and that's quite standard. And don't worry, you don't have to worry about it. So for 100k people, you near about you make 3000 sales. Okay, so you make 3000 sales, and every day, for example, you are making every day you are making 3 to 4 sales. Let's assume that you're making 3 sales every day, and the product that you are helping people to get much more information, or you're helping them, you're basically what's happening, you are solving some form of problem of them. Okay, so you have to be a great problem solver if you want to help people. Now, each product, okay, let's assume that each product costs you $100, and the commission that you're getting, it's near about $70. Okay, it can be a physical or a digital product. For example, if you sell a physical product, the commission might be 30%, but for a physical, for a digital product, the commission is higher because it's done one time, and there is no additional or any layering cost that is being there. So you're getting near about $70 from it. Okay, so if we multiply with 70, so you are making near about extra $200. It's 210 though, but let me take it as 200. Okay, so if we multiply with for 30 days, if it's happening, so you are making an extra 6 grand every single month, right? So you're making an extra 6k every single month, and that's it. That's all you need to know. Okay, so that's how you can make passive income. How what's happening is that you are growing your following, and you don't have to work, because once you make your own Instagram page or a TikTok page, what's happening is very simple. What you need to do, it's quite easy. You just need to make, and you need to put in content up here. How it can be done? See, you're putting in content, and your page is always active for 24/7. So if you're sleeping, your page is active. There has been what we say in internet terms, we say it as engagement. Okay, and there has been some engagement, and people at the traffic, we can say the traffic actually follows it. So when traffic follows it, it can be 1 a.m. at night, or it can be 3 a.m. at night, or it can be 4 a.m. in the morning or evening, or it can be anytime. It can be 5 p.m., or it can be 11 a.m., or it can be 12 p.m. even. It can be anytime. You might be doing whatever the thing that you want. You're putting in content, or it can be, you can easily put in content, or you can hire someone that will be putting in content for you. It can be anything. Now, whenever this is happening, this Instagram account is working 24/7 for you. And that means what? That means that you are actually working 24/7, or your time, you are independent with your time, and then you are making additional 6k per month from affiliate marketing, or from your own product, whatever it can be. Now, is it a form of passive income? Yes. How? Because at one point of time, you have put in, or you have risked your time, so that in opportunity, you saw an opportunity, and you thought that it will be a best opportunity to invest my time, so that I can have this free platform that is going to help me to make money online, and I'm going to get some profits from it. Okay, and is it legit? It's purely legit way, and you are simply going to be making things happen. Now, what is the alternative of it? The alternative way is very simple, is to not to do anything. So you're not going to put in effort. So you're not going to put in effort, or you're going to put in effort. It's up to you. So the other option that you can do to make things happen is, there are other online work that you can do. But the thing that I'm talking is to do something, or to second thing is to not to do something. Not working on your things, nothing's gonna change. It's very simple, right? Now, this is one of the ways that can be done. So I hope you have got this one secret that the rich people have, that they use and they actually make money from it. For example, let me just help you up with this one, that as we all know, Jeff Bezos, the founder or CEO of Amazon. So what did Jeff do? He has leveraged his time, right? I'm going to talk about the power of leveraging in some other video, but for this video right now, this is the best thing that you can do. This is the one little secret that should be kept in mind, and it's one of the priorities. Whenever I read the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, I'm going to talk about it, or I'm going to give you a good summary or a note that how this book is actually helping people, or has helped millions of people. And this concept has came from this book up till to me. So I got this concept from this book, and I absorbed it. I just got the main ideology of the book, and then I have simply used it for in my own journey. And you can also do it. For example, when you get 6K every single month, what you can do, it's pretty simple. The best thing that you can do after getting 6K is you're gonna get 6K again, you're gonna scale it up, then you're gonna get 10K, 20K, and then you can hire people, you can automate it, you can scale it, right? And then you can make a whole passive income empire. And then you can buy stocks or do YouTube automation, or you can do affiliate, or you can do Amazon FBA, and the whole spectrum grows, and you basically grow. So the first thing that should be done is to change your mindset, that yes, it can be done. And I told you one of the best ways. There are hundreds and thousands of videos that are telling you you can make 100, 200, 300, 500, 700,000, $10,000 every single month, or every single day, or in a year. Now, the way that I've told you, it's been done and tried and tested by so many people. And I know people are selling courses up on this thing. So I think you have got a $497 or a $697 or a $999 or $997 course, or you've got the basic idea, right? So what I'm going to tell you is to like this, to subscribe to this channel, because you are getting value, right? So what are you waiting for? Don't miss all this valuable information that I'm going to share with you. And all this is going to be happening when you leave a mark, and a magic is going to happen in this world.